The best way to get signups with Save Club is, I think, to make it fun, make it simple. Invite people to your link and have them just click that darn thing, watch a video or two about the opportunity as a member and as an affiliate, and let people watching your video just decide, hey, I'm in or out. I think I can do this Save Club thing. I think I can invite people. I know you can. And I have a feeling that you're going to save money too. It's $20. Let's just talk about the money side. It's $19.97 a month. So $20 minus 3 pennies. And what you do is you just search like a madman about things maybe you already buy. What I did is I still fill out a checkbook on things that I purchase. I have a lot. Look, I shop a lot. And I didn't realize how much I spent with things that are in the back office of Save Club when you go to the My Deals tab. That's why, Discount Tire, Walmart. I do have Sirius XM. I love music and entertainment, and I just love radio. I've been in and out of FM broadcasting radio for 35. Well, I started in 87. Man, time hauls butt, I'll tell you. But when I look at my checkbook, and you can go online, a lot of people don't still write down what they buy with their debit or credit card, but I do. For some reason, I like it. I bought this thing. It looks like Texas or good old Americana at its best, but this thing's 30. God, it's probably 40 years old now. But if you go online and just scroll and see what you've used your debit or credit card on, and you'll be surprised how it adds up to a hell of a lot more than $20. And when you go in the back office and see what your savings are, you'll probably find, and this is my opinion, you might start saving, God, anywhere from 50 to 100. My case, I hit 900 my first month because I needed a lot of tires for vehicles. And boy, to save as much as I did, plus the business gave me a little bit of savings on top of it, just because I thought I was kind of a cool guy, I guess. But thank you, Discount Tire. Purple mattress and car washes and food, the Sirius XM, like I said. But to save 900 something bucks my first 30 days, boy, that just, wow. And then to earn money too as an affiliate. And I love to show you exactly what I do. I don't have a lot of secrets. If I find something effective, I make a video about it. I'm a YouTube maniac. I have a good time just sitting with you folks, sharing my screen and just showing you things. There's a lot of value. And if you start getting signups and earn extra money, well, I do too. That's the beauty of the downline, the matrix. Call it what you want. Sign up a couple people, and you help those folks sign up a couple people. And on to the break of dawn. All right, we take care of each other. If you join my group, I want you and I need you in our Facebook groups. There's a lot of people that are there just for Save Club because it's invite only. We have free pictures. We have free banners that you can put on social media that look awesome. And they promote Save Club. All you do is put a little wording below it that says, hey guys, it's awesome. It's new. Just check this out. Click my link. Watch this video. And let the video do all the work. You don't have to do a video like I'm doing right now. I just love doing these videos I like to do about like 10-minute videos. Sometimes I do webinars that are 30 minutes. I just did a few today because it's June 1st as I produce this video. It's the first official day of Save Club. The last 30 days we've been in pre-launch where people like myself, we're recruiting as affiliates. We want to build our team. We want everyone to make money in our region, in our city, across the street, down at the bowling league. My gosh, I got people all over the country in America signed up, and I'm getting people Malaysia, Brazil, Australia, England. Oh, I'm up in Canada and some other countries too. It's awesome. So thank you. If you're one of those people that have signed up, I want to have a worldwide experience. All right. There's a lot of fun. And yes, there is money to be made. I can't guarantee any type of amounts, but I'll tell you, if you make it fun and you post every day and help your downline. And if you're shy, don't worry about it. I'm not. If you're in someone else's group, don't worry about it. All right. We help each other. I have a funnel system that I'd love you to look at. It's $25. If you don't like it, then don't pay for it next month. But for $25, it's worth looking at. For $20 the next month, look at our club savings. It's worth looking at. And if you want to join as an affiliate, $60, guys, that takes care of the year. And that's really worth looking at. So if you have $100, maybe a couple $100, I recommend joining as an affiliate. Get yourself like some business cards, get a domain name, and get the funnel. And boy, what a business in a box. There's just no business out there that you can open up that's like a Subway sandwich franchise or a dry cleaning business. Maybe you want to be a sports trainer or a gym rat and just get people rocking. But boy, it always takes more than a couple $100 to start a business. But this one, it's digital. You don't have to buy anything to be an affiliate and have certain levels to get commissions. This is not MLM. This can pay like MLM because we have a downline. And by taking care of each other and getting people comfortable promoting Save Club, we're going to get more people that join to save money. And once we hit 1 million, 2 million, 3 million people in this business, all of our deals are going to go down. We're going to get even greater savings. We're already beating Priceline and Orbitz. All right. Groupon. There's a lot of great savings clubs here in America, but all over the world. Just give us time. Today is day one. Remember, it's June 1st. We're going to have millions of deals worldwide. Yes, that means you, China, Malaysia, Philippines, and down below in Australia and Brazil and across the ocean, Hawaii. What are you doing there, Japan? What's happening? You're 15 hours ahead of me. Holy crap, that's crazy, isn't it? I'm not shy. You can email me anytime. I love it. If you have questions, if you have any technical questions, go to support@saveclub.com. All right. I've had Jeremy and Aaron. They're awesome. They both have helped me a lot. And we do accept cryptocurrency. A lot of people in my downline in my other business, they don't have banks like I do in Salt Lake City, Utah, where I live. So they just prefer to get like an e-wallet. I pay out Bitcoin. Everyone knows cryptocurrency. It's a real currency. This is not an investment where you buy $1 worth of crypto and be a millionaire overnight. If you want to pay in cryptocurrency, do it, guys. It's awesome. It's very safe. It's a very safe currency. And of course, we have Visa, MasterCard, debit card. We have banks all over here in most towns in America. But sign up whatever you're comfortable with. If you got that $20, I recommend just be a member. It's worth it, guys. And you can see this is my back office. This is a glimpse of what Save Club looks like. But yeah, tear it up, man. You got, see, you hit my deals right there. You just click that. And if you just want to save money on things you're already buying, type in your zip code. I put in 84120 because this takes up all of Salt Lake City. But look at all these deals, just thousands and thousands. I could be here 10 hours looking at deals. And you know what? If you have a business and you want to be in Save Club to offer deals to people, just log in to My Deals tab. Go to the bottom, see where it says, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Hit Get Started and get your business in. So if people come down and show their cell phone screen or maybe print out a coupon, let them in for free, maybe half off on fries, or maybe you own a pizza joint or a gym. Hey, come down and $25 off for this or half off for that. But yeah, if you're a business person, hell yeah, join Save Club, log in to My Deals tab and go to the very bottom left right there. Because I forget, we need people that own businesses to be inside of Save Club. More the better. We want millions of deals worldwide, and I have no doubt we're going to be at that level, especially 12 months from today. Today is June 1st. We're out of pre-launch. This is where the growth is really going to happen. And this is where I need you to really pay attention and just look at yourself and your financial situation. Are you living how you want? Is that apartment or house or mortgage? Do you need more money to provide for your family? Clothes, a better living condition. Maybe you want to move into a nicer area. You need to fix your teeth. Maybe you need new glasses. Maybe you need to buy Legos and Hot Wheels and crazy stuff. You know, in that fridge, I got things called drinks and snacks and food, and I love coffee. Everything costs money usually in every country, unless you have one Powerball or maybe you're the king or queen of something. But if you're watching my video, I think that you're going to enjoy Save Club. It's not a gimmick. It is not a fad. It's not bull crap. We are similar to Groupon and Priceline and Orbitz, but we have an affiliate division. So if we can get more people into this Save Club in general, once we hit the 1 million mark, I have no doubt that we're going to really beat the pants off anybody in the Groupon and the Priceline and all these other Save Clubs. We own SaveClub.com. We're already with Fortune 50, 100, and 500 companies. And that means that they make billions of dollars, and they've probably made $1 trillion or $2 over their lifetime. We're already in cahoots with those fine companies. Flights, hotels, food, SiriusXM. You like to go to Popeye's Chicken or Wendy's or get Frosties. Save money. Don't be a dumbass. Don't be sitting there like me and go pay full price for everything. That's what I've done forever. Now it's kind of fun and addicting to go, well, God, why not save $5? Why not save $900 like I did in May? Holy crap, I had no idea. I thought I'd save $50 to be honest. I'm going to spend 20 and probably save 50. And that is still outstanding. To save $50 times 12, that adds up to $75 million. Or is it 600? I don't know. But some of my richest friends, they still like deals. And the reason why they probably are millionaires is because they're smart enough to save $5 here, $100 there. If they're going to fly and travel and do nice things for themselves or family, and you get the same service for this much, well, why not save that much for the same thing? And now you got more money to go buy Hot Wheels and send them to me, or Lego kits, or Miami Vice dolls, or Farrah Fawcett dolls, or I don't know, maybe you can buy some snacks. We'll put in my fridge, and I'll hold them up and go, man, I love my coffee cup sent to me. This is a great cup. Vanilla latte. Yummy. Anyway, I think you get the gist. You're going to have fun in Save Club. I want you to join my club. I want you to join my team. Call it what it is, but let's help each other. And if you're new, good. If you have no experience, it's almost better. I want you to learn techniques that work now, June 1st of 2025. If you have some badass stuff that's worked in the past, give it some hell, man. Shine some light on it. And if you have success, share it with everybody. There's plenty of room. There's plenty of room, kids. No one knows about Save Club yet. Today's day one. And let's grow this thing. Let's make our teams big, thick, and long, and massive. Deal? Okay. How about shiny and yummy and delicious? All right, let me leave you with 2 links. This is how I kick ass and take a few names. All I can do is just show you like leaderboard results. Out of the company, I think I'm number 7. There I am. Look at that, guys. Somehow, my gosh almighty, I've hit number 7 in the company. I'm very excited about that. So thank you for joining. And I almost got 100 people. I think by tomorrow I'll probably hit the 100 mark, and I'd love to be in the top 5 with some of my good friends. And look at that, Britain, there's Japan. I don't know, that's Costa Rica, I think. And there's Japan. Look at all these countries already on the leaderboard. All right, Denmark to Australia, we're a worldwide thing already. But just do your best. Do your best and get one at a time like I focus on. Right now I got one person already upgraded, and looks like somehow I'm lucky number 3. I've signed up 12 people over the last 4 days, and looks like if I get 3 today, I'm going to freak out. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I get 5 threes in a row, that's crazy. I feel like I'm a gambler. Maybe I should go play Powerball and I'll win some money. But anyway, let me show you my links. This is all I do, guys. I invite you to both these links. They're both awesome. ilovesaveclub.com. That's how I've signed up a lot of people. And with Save Club Funnel, wow, I've signed up like 30 some odd people in Save Club with the new funnel system. It's $25. And I've signed up about, oh my God, I think 50 people now that are using the funnel system, which brought in another 800 and something bucks. And that's recurring every month. I want to build up my funnel alone to like 3-4 grand of extra money by people having a great time and getting success with the funnel system. But I'll let you guys go. I'm at the 14 minute mark. I'm just excited. This is June 1st. We need to start building groups for you right now and get you good. We'll get you going. Might take a day or two, but we'll find a good lane for you to drive in. Maybe start off in the slow lane, the middle lane. We'll get you emailing maybe, or maybe you don't mind doing a video like this where you just get a webcam and talk into it. But we have already videos made and pictures, so let's get you good at uploading TikTok and Instagram, Facebook. If you don't know how to do it, just go to YouTube. How do I upload videos to Facebook? How do I be interesting on Facebook? How do I use humor on TikTok? How do I upload a video to show people how to save money and make money? Okay, YouTube is just a gold mine. Holy crap, the pile of money I make on YouTube alone is staggering. Let's get you doing all of this. Even if you're shy and you don't want to do what I'm doing now, don't worry about it. Don't focus on that. We're going to get you good at not one thing, 2 or 3 things. And once you start making money, you're going to like freak out. You're going to go, God, I can't believe I'm making money online. Screwing off. Usually I'm playing solitaire and searching for crazy things or watching maybe streaming movies on my computer screen. Let's get you making money. All right, maybe replace that job you can't stand. Or let's get you a pile of extra cash if you love your job. Maybe you have a career or you stay at home mom or dad. Maybe you're retired. And I'm jealous. If you're 18 and 1 hour old, 1 minute old, you can join. And if you're in high school now, oh my God, and if you're 18 watching me, you know how dang lucky you guys are. You can make massive amounts of money by the time you're even graduated or by the time you're 19, while your friends are all getting massive debt, going to college and screwing off with no idea what they're going to do. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. This is a legit business. And I am jealous if you're 18 right now watching me, kid. Okay. All right. Let's end it up with a bang. Boom, boom. Way to go, Save Club. You popped out a mama. Today is the first day. Jaloon. It's June. It's Jaloon. It's Jaloon 1st. That means we kind of celebrate July too at the same time. I've actually never said the word Jaloon in almost 60 years. All right. June 1st. This is day 1. I'm excited. So let's kick some butt. I love saveclub.com, saveclubfunnels.com. Check it out, guys, and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's rock and roll. Let's make some money, have some fun. You guys have a good day, and get a hold of me if you need me. Cory at CoryDraper.com, and inbox me in my Facebook page as well. Okay, guys? All right, have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.